choice.
Hello. Loneliness and social isolation are challenges that many face today. In this video, we will explore expert tips on how to cope with them. Loneliness is not just a lack of company, but a subjective feeling of social disconnection. It can affect anyone, regardless of age. Experts warn that prolonged isolation can increase stress levels and negatively affect our immune system. The first step is to acknowledge to yourself that you feel lonely. Accepting your emotions is the key to transforming them. Start with small steps. Smile at your neighbor or greet the person in the store. These brief interactions reduce feelings of isolation. Technologies can connect us. Video calls with loved ones or joining online interest groups are a great way to socialize. Volunteering not only helps others, but also gives us a sense of purpose and connects us with people who share our values. Joining a club of interest, whether it's about books, sports, or art, is a natural way to find like-minded individuals. If loneliness becomes unbearable, do not hesitate to seek professional consultation. Therapy offers tools to cope with social anxiety. Mindfulness practices help us feel better in our own company and reduce negative thoughts. Establishing a consistent daily routine helps stabilize mental health. Plan time for work, rest, and social interactions. Physical activity releases endorphins that improve mood and give us the energy to seek new connections. Pets are an incredible source of unconditional love and can significantly reduce feelings of loneliness at home. When you are in company, practice active listening. This deepens connections and makes others feel valued. Look for local communities or support groups. Sharing common experiences with others is therapeutic. Treat yourself with kindness. Developing self-compassion makes social interactions easier and less intimidating. It's not important how many friends you have, but how deep your connections are. Focus on meaningful relationships. Sometimes the easiest way to reconnect is to call an old friend we have lost touch with. Learning a new language or skill often involves a social environment and gives us new topics for conversation with others. Set small, realistic social goals for the week. For example, I will call one person, or I will attend an event. When you are among people, put your phone aside. Being fully present in the moment helps build genuine connections. Sometimes, a change of scenery or a short trip can give us a new perspective and introduce us to interesting people. Practicing gratitude redirects the mind from what we lack to the positive aspects of our lives. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Sharing your own struggles often encourages others to do the same. Healthy boundaries are important. They help us feel safe and confident in our social interactions. Good sleep and quality nutrition directly affect our emotions and our ability to cope with stress. Limit your time on social media if it makes you feel lonelier through unrealistic comparisons with others. Remember that loneliness is a state, not a definition of your life. With patience and small steps, a connection with the world is possible. Thank you for being with us. Believe in yourself and take the first small step towards someone else today. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.
Support us by liking and subscribing.